Okay, so today we have for you 2011 Mercedes E250 Sport Auto Saloon, 88,000 miles, locally owned car since 2014 and just 3 owners from new. Partial Mercedes and then independent service history. As I say, local car to us, just take any part exchange. Excellent condition. Front and rear park sensors, parktronic, headlamp wash. Around the conditions, wheels, all good, no damage to the mirror backs. All the way down that side, great condition. Some protection glass. Very clean in the boot. No load marks on the plastic there. Has a spare wheel, jack wheel brace. The wrists are folding as well. Really is exceptional condition, this car, for its age and mileage. I've used the car personally for about 3 days. Drives absolutely perfect. Nothing wrong at all. Full set of Continental tyres, all matching. Always tells us car's been looked after with that sort of level of tyre. Car comes complete with a full 12-month MOT, pre-delivery inspection, and if it's ready for a service, gets an engine service. Leather, well, it's Artico and Alcantara trim. Leather multi-function steering wheel with paddle shift. Auto lights. Electric folding door mirrors. Electric boot release. Does have Bluetooth preparation. As you can see, the whole interior is very, very clean. Okay, so you will find us on idealtradecentre.co.uk. I'm Lee. Any questions? It's 01772 494 200. There's an email address on the website as well, or there's a WhatsApp link on the website as well. If you're looking on your phone, you can just message direct to there or call. And thanks for watching.